So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this O-Cedar spin mop. So I've just taken everything out of the box. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now you have a handle, but we're going to expand this handle. We're going to attach this to it, and here's the mop head. So the first thing you're going to do is this gray part. There's two gray parts that you have to expand. You're going to turn this gray part here and then expand it. Then there's one with the threads. Turn it also while you're holding this one and expand it, and then turn it the other way. So you're going to turn it this way to expand it and then tighten it by turning it the other way. Now this handle is nice and tight. I can put it anywhere in between here. Now I'm going to simply attach this with the threads. And now this attaches to this. Now you can put it on the floor and step on it. That's probably the easiest way. But you just kind of line up, make sure these fuzzy things are not overlapping where it mounts. The bottom of it, you can't mount it to the bottom of it. There's this hard plastic ring. And just line it up, and you'll kind of hear it snap when you step on it. And it kind of goes, that plastic ring goes down inside that red thing. There we have it installed correctly. Okay, so here we have the spin mop portion itself. When you step on this, it's going to spin this part and take all the water out of the mop. Here's where you're going to put the water. Now the water that gets spun out goes right back into this water. There's only one chamber for the water. This doesn't come out. You cannot take the spinning part out. This mechanism doesn't come apart. But it does have a nice carrying handle, and the carrying handle has a little place for this to snap into. So you can snap this in like that. Okay, so we're going to be using the O-Cedar floor cleaning packs. You get these packs. This is going to dissolve. There is a max line, so I've got it filled up to the max line with hot water, and now that pack is going to dissolve. And that's that outer material dissolves, and now we've got the proper mixture. And again, I like this. This has a Velcro or a Ziploc, so you can seal this up. But here's what the other packs look like. And again, this is the crisp citrus. Yeah, it smells really good. I do like it. Now the spin mop has a nice handle. You're going to want to take it up, and you're going to want to put it wherever you want. And then we got to mix that up a little bit more. Now here I've got the mop. We're going to put it in there. Just kind of give the water a good mixing. There's that tablet. It's still dissolving. Okay, so that did not take long at all to dissolve that. Now, all I had to do was just kind of mush this up and down. Now you can see it's not super sudsy. It does smell really good. So I'm going to get my mop nice and wet. Then I'm going to put it in here. And then you have to hold the handle like this with a hole, because this is going to spin in your hand. You don't want to grab it or it won't spin. So you have to kind of, up there at the top, you're going to hold it like a hole, and so that it can spin whenever you step on it. Okay, so get your mop wet, put it in the basket here, and then we're going to, remember, hold like this, and then you're going to step on this, and this spins it. Now it's nice and damp, and now we can mop the floor. Then you're going to put it back in here, repeat the process. Again. And you're ready to go. Let's clean up some big messes with it. Okay, so here I got a big mess. Let's see how well it cleans up the big mess. First, let's do the ketchup. And again, when you're putting it in this basket, make sure all of the white things are pointed down and not up. All right, mop up the big mess here. All right, now let's clean the... So there's how it looks. Now we're going to clean the rest of the floor. Now I can mop the rest of my floor. It smells really good. Now what I like about it is it's not sticky afterwards. After this dries a little bit, it's not going to be sticky. And I can always prop up the handle with the handle. That's a very nice feature. So let's get it all nice and clean again. Very lightweight, very easy. And again, there's what it looks like on the bottom. And when I'm all done, if I want to put it in the washing machine, step on it. Well, don't step on it like that. It just pops back in. Yeah, there you go. Now I can throw this in the laundry. So I thought it did a really good job. This is very easy to use. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.